Students, welcome back in speaking session. Today I will talk with you very important and very useful topic for students. Today I will talk with you about study habits of students. It means that what kind of things as a student we should keep in mind when you are studying, when you are trying to set something in your life, when you set a goal for your life, then what you have to do. I will share you just few points you should keep in mind all the time. And as a debater, as a speaker, you will talk with someone, then what kind of thing you should keep in mind and what you have to teach them. So just I will talk with you 3 or 4 points that is very crucial, that is very obligatory for students and as a teacher when you are trying to convey your ideas with someone. So let's start about these points. First thing you should keep in mind all the time as a student, as a teacher, teach time management skills. How it can be possible you can teach time management skills? You can told them, you can guide them, that in the world, if you will listen, if you will see, if you will watch the successful people in the world, they have a time schedule, they have a time management in their life. Even then they are from elite class, they are from middle class, but if they will follow time management skills in their life, they will be succeeded. Here I am just talking about students. Students should be skillful, students should be acquire knowledge about time management skills. It is possible you can do this, it's depend upon you, you can do this. It's depend upon your mentality, it's depend upon your interest, it's depend upon your passionate activities. Like if you want to become a good businessman, if you want to become a good sportsman, then what you have to do, you have to develop time management skills in your life. If you will follow time, then you can do anything. If you will not follow any instruction regarding time point of view, it means that if you will waste your time in irrelevant activities, in irrelevant task, then you can't succeed it yourself. You should indulge yourself maximum those activities in which you want to grow yourself, in which you want to promote yourself. So you should keep in mind as a student, as a businessman, as any worker in your life, you should follow the instructions of time. You should do anything according to timetable. You set a timetable on daily basis and you should keep in mind from the evening, from the morning, from midnight. So you have these kinds of activities. When you get up early in the morning, you have a proper schedule, you have a proper timetable. Through timetable, you should spend your whole day according to that scenario. If you will do, definitely you can succeed yourself in your life. So for successful, for become a good person, for become a developing your personality, you should follow timetable in your life. If you will make a schedule in your life, you can develop your personality, you can become a good speaker, you can become a good communicator in your life. So as a student, you should follow the instructions of your teachers, your seniors, and time is very important and you should develop and you should indulge, you should convince yourself time is very important. We shouldn't waste our time in our life. If you will waste our time, definitely we can't progress, we can't make progress in practically life, in future life. For the sake of getting more ideas, for the sake of getting more knowledge, what you have to do, you just make a schedule, you set a goal on daily basis, and you have to develop your mentality according to that scenario. So this thing you should keep in mind all the time. When you want to develop yourself, then time management is very important. And second one is establish a consistent study schedule. So how it will be possible? In last videos, I also told you about consistency is a key for your success. Consistency play a vital role in your life. Consistency is a pivotal in your life. If you will not consistent on your routine activities, you can't progress in your life. For the seeking of, for the getting more information, for become a good businessman, for become a good person, then what you have to do, you should be consistent. If you want to become a good speaker, then you have to speak more, you have to talk more, you have to communicate with others, you have to communicate with stranger, you have to communicate with unknown people. So through this you can develop your ideas, you can speak well, you can flourish your thoughts on daily basis. So consistency is a key, consistency is a central idea, consistency is a main point. If you will follow, you can succeed it yourself, and you can achieve any kind of goal through your struggle. So you should keep in mind consistency is a main thing as a student.